Welcome back to TBD, your most accurate, up-to-date news channel on the happenings of D-Tech. Today, TBD stands for Truly Bad Day. I'm Mari, otherwise known as Shaggy D. We have some cool new stuff for y'all today, so let's just hop right into announcements. First up, we have D-Leadership. D-Leadership is opening up a second round of applications for the spring semester. Go here to find the application process. The application is due by 11:59 p.m. on February 6, 2019. So you can email Adeline or Vonnie with any questions. Now you can feature your curiosity project in the yearbook. Do you or your friends have awesome curiosity projects? Go to this link to submit your curiosity project for it to be featured in the yearbook. Also buy your yearbook. Epic gamers would buy their yearbook. Seniors, this one's for you. Transcripts, you guys need to get your transcripts. College is right around the corner, you guys. If your colleges don't accept electronic transcripts, fill out the form on the announcements page ASAP. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I certainly have. There's a new library in front of the Teacher's Lounge, replacing the Bob Ross wall, which was made by me. But it's soon to go up somewhere else, guys, so don't worry. Congrats to the freshmen who put that shelf up. D-Tech now is its own library. Finally. And where do the books come from, you ask? Well, some students went down to Redwood Shores Public Library, which you can see from our beautiful vantage point out on the slough, and got us some books for us dragons to read. Thank you very much, Redwood Shores Public Library. Very cool. Now, as most of you know, Formal just happened last Saturday. Wondering how Formal went in general? We wrote about students' experiences at Formal. I'm sure we've all been hearing lots of differing opinions. If you didn't go, don't be too sad, and don't be too mad. There are lots of other dances coming up, and I'm sure they'll be rad. Fashion! There was a lot of it at Formal, especially in the Benji variety. Go read all about it in Lily Blum's article. Last year in January, we did a ribbon cutting for the new building that was obviously built for us on the beautiful Goose Habitat Oracle Corporation campus. So this building is now 1 year old, guys. It feels just like yesterday. Let's watch a video about that.
A little more than a year ago, on January 9th, 2018, the ribbon in front of the school was cut, and Design Tech High School finally got a permanent home at 275 Oracle Parkway. So we asked the students about their favorite parts of this building.
Oh, favorite memory of this building? Ooh, that's a hard one. Probably like going to the DRG and seeing it not be like really tiny and kind of garbage.
I went to Burlingame High School when I was a freshman, and when we were there, we didn't have, like, all the chairs were like attached to the seats and everything was metal, and like it was really uncomfortable and it was tiny, and here I feel like I can relax a bit more and it feels more welcoming.
The toilets aren't like destroyed because the kids at my old school would like destroy the restrooms and stuff.
Yeah, I think our hangars upstairs and downstairs, we can all just meet there and do things, whether it's community meetings or just even playing some ping pong or foosball. That really, I think, connects the school and allows us to really have a great time together.
The classrooms are actual classrooms instead of like divider walls.
I really like the glass. I like I mean, when compared to the hangar, I like the sunlight coming in, really exposing me to that vitamin D. I mean, I remember like you would leave the hangar after a long days of work and it'd feel like you're like leaving your cave or something, and like you get hit with the sun.
We have a lot of wonderful greenery and garden set out space out there.
I really like the bean bags. I like to cover myself with the meat bags. Can I show you an example? Like that.
And while this building is certainly great, there are still fond memories of the small little warehouse on Rollins Road.
Janky. What was janky? I mean, wasn't Rollins just kind of janky overall? Like, highlighting a specific aspect is kind of tough, I guess.
I feel like Rollins was funnier is because it's like actually a warehouse, and you're just like, wow, everyone is here. Everyone is in one area. There's a lot of community, and you talk to people. You can yell at people from across the building.
I had some really freaky close encounters with those big poles in the middle of the hangar, like a little bit too close to comfort for my head.
At the old campus, I remember there was a lot of like hard metal seats and like just like furniture that was made by students and all that kind of thing. And here we actually have like chairs, and it's nice to have a sense of like being established.
Oh, the lockers were janky too, especially when one of them like fell over on Noah Chen or something, I think. I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining that, but I'm pretty sure at some point the locker just full-blown fell over, which that strikes me as pretty janky when you start entering the level of like could kill you or seriously maim you.
Subscribe, comment, like, share, or follow us on social media. Look us up, TBD, DTech, it's the keywords, baby. New episodes every Friday. Make sure to tune in. Tell your friends, tell your parents, tell your great Uncle Rodney. That's it. Bye.
Hi, my name is Andrew Norrie, and welcome back to this episode of TCC. This week, our guest is...